Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable mobile hotspot in Windows 11. If you want to turn it on, you need to click rightmouse button icon of start and then you need to go to settings. Now from the left panel we need to open network and internet settings, and here we need to find mobile hotspot share your internet connection option. We need to enable this option by clicking on this black dot, and when it will be turned on we need to click on this arrow, and here we need to scroll down and open properties, because here you will find your network name. In this sample it is my simple PC 6798, and here you can find password. In my network it is set to master of tutorials, so now if you want to connect to this network you will need to find this network name and you will need to type here this password, or you can try to scan this QR code to connect. So it is how it works. If I helped you to enable it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.